Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to remind you or let you know that it's time to trim your knockout roses again. Remember back in February we talked about trimming knockout roses, and that's whenever you do the real heavy trimming. You take about 2/3 of the plant off at that time. Now we're in August, and now's the time to do the summer trimming. And what we're trying to accomplish here is remember that your knockouts bloom off of new growth, and trimming your knockouts promotes that new growth, and so they're really gonna bud out and bloom out and look nice, the rest of the summer and even into the fall months as well, if you get a good trimming done on them right now. So now's the time to do that. The other reason we want to do the trimming right now is because you can see on these, I'll put some pictures up, they're kind of thin up underneath at the bottom and towards the center, and the reason for that is they get so thick and top heavy that no sunlight makes it down to the inner foliage, and it starts to die off and drop. So you want to make sure that you trim them back quite a bit so that they just fill out better, or else they start looking real scraggly over time if you miss these trimmings. It helps them really fill out and just be full of blooms and full of buds, and it makes them look a lot nicer. So now's the time to do that. We're not going to go near as far back this time around as we do back in February. The August trimming is going to be anywhere from just a light trimming, I don't know, 6 inches or a foot off the top. But you can go all the way down to half. You can cut half of this plant down, and don't worry about it at all. It just depends on what size it is right now. That's what's going to determine how much you're going to trim off of it. But don't be scared to really get after it if you need to, and cut about half the plant off if it's really overgrown. So hope that helps. Get out there and get that done. Get that on your schedule. It'll really help out, and your knockouts will look a lot better here in the next over the next 2 or 3 weeks if you can get that done right now. So have any questions, need any help with that, let us know. Thanks.